Hello students, today I am going to brief about the topic which is isomerism in organic compound. Isomerism is a phenomena in which the compound have the same chemical formula but different chemical structure. So firstly, what is isomer? Isomer is the compound which has the same chemical formula but different chemical structure, and the phenomena is known as isomerism. And this isomers is a Greek word. It is an Greek word. ठीक है. According to this Greek word, it is made up of two words which is isos and meros, which mean equal parts. Now I am discussing about the type of isomerism. It can be divided into two subtypes, which are structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. And structural and stereoisomerism further categorized different subtypes. This can be well explained with this flow chart. For example, isomerism and isomerism are of two types, which is structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. And structural isomerism further divided into six main types, which is chain isomerism, positional isomerism, functional isomerism, metamerism, tautomerism, and ring chain isomerism. Stereoisomerism are of two types, which is geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. Now firstly I will discuss the structural isomerism and its subtype, which is structural. Firstly, what is structural isomerism? The functional group and the atom in the molecule are linked in different ways. Structural means इसमें जो भी कोई कार्बन चेन होंगी उसके अंदर जो फंक्शनल ग्रुप होंगे और जो एटम्स होंगे सब्स्टिट्यूएंट एटम, वो क्या होंगे, डिफरेंट वे में अरेंज होंगे. सो दिस इज नोन एज structural isomerism. As in this case arranged in a different way, so the functional group, their UPC name is also changed. The different structural isomerism, as I have discussed, it can be classified into six main types. Now I discuss first main type, which is chain isomerism. What is chain isomerism? Chain isomerism, the other name of chain isomerism, firstly I will discuss the other name of chain isomerism, which is skeletal isomerism. And what is chain isomerism? It is the type of isomerism which has the same molecular formula but number of carbon atom in the main chain is different. Means this can be well explained with the help of example. For example, molecular formula is same, which is C5H12, but different arrangement of atom in the structure. For example, C5H12, it contains 5 carbon atom, and these 5 carbon atom can be arranged like in three ways. For example, in pentane it form a single long chain hydrocarbon, and it contain, if I naming this compound, then it has 5 carbon atoms, so it is known as pentane. And second one is 2-methyl butane, as it contain only 4 carbon in the main chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, and one substituent group which is methyl group. And it also can be rearranged in the form of 2,2-dimethyl propane, in which main chain consists of 3 carbon atom, which is, and 2 substituent group which is methyl groups. So the chain isomerism is that isomerism which has the same molecular formula but different arrangement of chain is known as chain isomerism. Okay. Now the next subtype is position isomerism. I highlighted this position isomerism so that you can understand it very well. Position isomerism क्या होगा? The position of the functional group or substance group is different. मतलब जो इसमें जो हम चेन आइसोमेरिज्म था उसमें क्या था, कार्बन चेन डिफरेंट थी, बट इन पोजिशन आइसोमेरिज्म जो फंक्शनल ग्रुप अटैच होगा या सब्स्टिट्यूएंट ग्रुप अटैच होगा वो क्या होगा, डिफरेंट पोजिशन में होगा. दिस कैन बी वेल एक्सप्लेन विद द हेल्प ऑफ एग्जांपल. फॉर एग्जांपल, द मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला C3H7Cl. दिस कैन बी रीअरेंज इन टू वेज. For example, 1-chloropropane and 2-chloropropane. In both case, the chlorine group in first case arranged at first position, but in second case it arranged at second position. So the position of the substituent group are different. So these are known as position isomerism. Now the next type is functional isomerism. It is also known as functional group isomerism. This isomerism is also known as functional group isomerism. अब as the name suggests, which has the same molecular formula but different functional group attached to them. So it is known as functional isomerism. Functional isomerism की definition क्या होगा? Which is the same molecular formula but different functional group attached to them. These isomerism is known as functional isomerism. This can also be well explained with the help of an example. For example, the molecular formula C3H6O. It can rearrange in two different ways. First one is propanol and second one is propanone. Propanol. In IUPAC name, I will discuss al come for aldehydic group and on for ketonic group. Functional group are different. In first case, functional group is aldehydic and in second, the functional group is ketonic. So these are the isomerism which has the same molecular formula but different structural arrangement, so that they have different structural arrangement में क्या different है? Functional groups. So these are known as functional isomerism. Now the next type is metamerism. What is metamerism? This type of isomerism arises due to presence of different alkyl chain on each side of the functional group. Means same molecular formula but alkyl chains in different in the functional group. And this can be illustrated with the help of example. For example, in C4H10O, molecular formula is C4H10O. It has the same functional group, so it is not known as functional isomerism, but in this alkyl chain are different. For example, in first case, alkyl chain is 1, 2 and 3 carbon. 3 carbon, so it is known as propane. And in this case 2, so it is known as ethane. In this case, it represents two structural isomerism in which has two different alkyl chain. So these are known as metamerism, isomerism. Now the next type is tautomerism. Tautomerism is also known as 1,3 hydrogen shift. As in this case, hydrogen from the first position shifted to third position. So it is also known as 1,3 hydrogen shift. A tautomerism of a compound refer to the isomer of the compound which only different in the position of proton and electron. I have discussed that it consists of a 1,3 hydrogen shift. Hydrogen means proton. An important example of such type of tautomerism is keto-enol tautomerism. Keto-enol मतलब keto group change into enol form. This can be well explained with the formula which has the general formula C4H6O, which has the same molecular formula but different structural arrangement. For example, in this case, keto-enol tautomerism, I explained this mechanism. For example, this is keto form and this one is enol form. Both exist in equilibrium, and in this case, keto form how converted into enol form, in which hydrogen from the first position, this is first position, second position and third position. Hydrogen from the first position shift into the third position. Third position this one O के साथ अगर हाइड्रोजन शिफ्ट हो जाएगा तो this form is known as keto-enol tautomerism. So this is the other type of isomerism which is structural isomerism. Hope you understand it very well. Next type is ring chain isomerism. Ring chain isomerism means the carbon atom attached to the open chain as well as in the ring form. What is ring isomerism? In ring chain isomerism, one of the isomer has a open chain structure and other has a ring structure. Okay? In ring chain isomerism में क्या होगा? One of the compound has an open structure and other one is in the form of ring. This can be well explained with the help of example. For example, the molecular formula C3H6. It can be rearranged into two different ways. First one is propene and other one is cyclopropane. Why it is known as ring chain isomerism? Because in this case, first one in the form of open chain and other in the form of a ring. So these are known as ring chain isomerism. Now the second subtype I have discussed completely, which is structural isomerism. Now the next type is stereoisomerism. What is stereoisomerism? Which has the same molecular formula but different spatial arrangement, means different arrangement in the three-dimensional space, is known as stereoisomerism. I read it again. This type of isomerism arises in the compound which has the same chemical formula but different orientation of atom belonging to the molecule in the three-dimensional space, is known as stereoisomerism, and the compound is known as stereoisomer. As I have discussed that stereoisomerism are of two types, which the first one is geometrical isomerism. Geometrical means cis or trans geometry. What is geometrical isomerism? Geometrical isomerism is also known as cis trans isomer. ठीक है? And the phenomena is known as cis trans isomerism. It is popular known as cis trans isomer. Cis trans isomer क्या होगा? Which has the same molecular formula but different spatial arrangement in the three-dimensional space. This can also be explained with the help of an example. For example, this one is cis but-2-ene and the second one is trans but-2-ene. How I have named it as cis and other one is trans. In first case, in the left side structure cis but-2-ene, the two methyl group, the same bulky group which is methyl group and the other one is hydrogen group lie in the same side of the carbon atom. So these are known as cis position. And in other case, the carbon atom lie in a trans position. So these are known as trans isomerism. These are the geometrical isomerism. Okay. Now the last type which I have discussed, which I have to discuss, is optical isomerism. What is optical isomerism? Optical isomerism means optical isomerism क्या होगा? Which has different spatial arrangement of a atom. In this case, different spatial arrangement of atom in the three-dimensional space, but they form the images which are non-superimposable images. And these non-superimposable जो images form होती हैं, these are known as enantiomers. So in case of optical isomerism, there are two structures which differ in their arrangement in three-dimensional space, and they form non-superimposable mirror images, but they have each other and these compound are optical active. अगर हम देखें तो ये क्या होंगे? Optical active होंगे. For example, enantiomers जो मैंने show की हैं, they are two type of enantiomer. First one is dextrorotatory and second one is levorotatory. What is dextrorotatory? Dextrorotatory क्या होगा? Which rotate the plane polarized light towards the right side is known as dextrorotatory, and levorotatory which rotate the plane polarized light towards the left side is known as levorotatory. And these are non-superimposable mirror images, so these are known as enantiomers. From this I completed my topic. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you have any doubt, then please comment in the inbox. Now please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.